Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard in Combat Warriors. Vanguard is a valuable game pass that enhances your gameplay experience. It provides numerous benefits, from boosting your progress to unlocking exclusive cosmetic features. Understanding its advantages and how to acquire it will significantly improve your time in Combat Warriors. Let's explore what Vanguard offers. The Vanguard Game Pass comes with several powerful benefits. Upon purchase, you receive a substantial sign-on bonus of Ether, credits, and XP. You'll also enjoy 2x daily rewards and experience point gains, accelerating your progression. Additionally, the pass grants you exclusive cosmetic items, such as a unique chat tag and a special kill effect, making you stand out in combat. Acquiring the Vanguard Game Pass is straightforward. You can purchase it directly from the in-game store using Robux. The pass usually costs approximately 500 Robux, offering a worthwhile investment for dedicated players. For even greater advantages, consider pairing Vanguard with the Gold Game Pass, as their bonuses often stack, providing an enhanced boost to your rewards and experience. To get the most out of your Vanguard Game Pass, consistent play is recommended. Regularly logging and ensures you claim your doubled daily rewards and fully benefit from the 2x XP boosts. Actively engaging in combat will also maximize your experience gains and showcase your exclusive kill effects. This pass is particularly beneficial for players who frequently grind and aim for rapid progression in Combat Warriors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.